How can you solve your static electricity issues? This is a very common natural phenomenon you might encounter on the machine, pallets of protected products, or in fact on the reel itself. Before describing some solutions for eliminating static electricity from your production environment, let me explain very briefly how it occurs. Static electricity appears when two different materials are placed in contact and then separated. In the specific case of protective films, it occurs during unwinding at the point of detachment of the film. One face takes electrons from the other face. This produces opposite charges that are trapped on each film face. When a conductive material, or a person, is close to the film, there can be an electric discharge. These discharges are not hazardous, but the electric shock is painful. It can result indirectly in injury. Your electronic equipment or your industrial process may be disrupted. And don't forget that static electricity also attracts dust, and that can have major consequences. There are ways and means of limiting or even eliminating static electricity. Here are two: an ionizing bar or this garland. You heard correctly, this garland. An ionizing bar is an active device that eliminates the charge on the film without fail. More rudimentary, a garland allows you to eliminate this phenomenon at less cost. However, it is imperative for it to be metallized. You can see that static electricity is a part of our daily lives, but you can now avoid it. Naturally, your production lines are unique and specific adaptations will certainly be needed. If you need extra assistance, you can count on us.